this is Jitan here and welcome to another episode of TradersTV. In today's episode, we're going to be talking about fundamental analysis, something that has been around for a very, very long time. We're going to be talking about the pros and cons of it and what exactly it's all about. So let's get started.
So you may have heard the term fundamental analysis before. So what exactly is it? Well, fundamental analysis can form many different parts of analysis. It could be analyzing company reports. So a stock trader, someone who trades stocks and shares like Apple and Facebook or BP, they may use fundamental analysis to analyze company reports, and they'll look at the profitability of the company, their earnings, their sales and things like this. And through their analysis of company reports, they will determine on what they think the stock should be priced at. So you tend to find in financial media, a lot of analysts give out what they call stock ratings, or they give out stock calls. And these are the people who have spent a lot of time pouring through different types of reports, analyzing the data and giving their opinion on what they think the stock should be priced at. You also have other traders or analysts who look at economic data. So they'll be looking at things like retail sales and unemployment figures to find out what it exactly means and what it represents in a particular economy. And economic data is used quite a lot by Forex traders who use fundamental analysis. There are some Forex traders who don't use any type of fundamental analysis and just look at technical analysis. But economic data is an important part of why foreign exchange markets move. Also, reviewing central bank policy. So this is a key one for a lot of different investment managers, because how a central bank decides on their policy actions, how they actually do that, is sometimes in the public domain because they have specific rules and criteria that they need to follow. So a lot of investment managers look at what central banks are potentially going to do in the future so they can try to forecast any risks that they may have in their portfolios. Fundamental analysis could also be identifying economic cycles and trends. So where are you in the economic and where are you in the business cycle? Are you in a contraction or an expansion? So that could also form a part of fundamental analysis as well. And fundamental analysis really tells us what should happen. Whilst you may look at an economic data and all the data may be very positive and it may say, hey, this economy is doing really well, but actually the currency of that economy could be performing quite badly. So a fundamental analysis can tell us what should happen. It doesn't mean that the market will follow what should be happening. Okay, so that's an important thing. No type of analysis and no type of tools out there in the market will work 100% of the time. So fundamental analysis, this is really how trading and investing first started out. However, traders and investors now use multiple types of analysis when making their trading decisions. So a lot of traders nowadays will use fundamental analysis along with another type of analysis like technical analysis or a sentiment analysis. So fundamental analysis will explain what is happening right now, sometimes, okay, so not all the time, but sometimes fundamental analysis will explain what is happening right now. But as I said before, many traders will use fundamental analysis and technical analysis to make their trading decisions. Of course, there is no holy grail type of analysis that will work all the time, which is why risk management is very important, because we know trading is about winning and losing. Now, fundamental analysis is really for more of the advanced traders. A lot of beginner traders start with technical analysis to kind of get into the market and to understand what trading is all about. Okay, so just the important thing to remember is that there is no holy grail type of analysis, and risk management should form a strong part of your overall trading journey.
So now you know a little bit more about fundamental analysis and how traders use it and why they use it. If you're interested in learning a little bit more about the courses we provide here at Learn to Trade, then click on the link below. I'll see you on the next video.